Hey everybody, Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors. You know, sometimes when you want to take luxury with you on the road, especially when you're talking about going to races, and we're doing the road to NASCAR because the Gander RV and Outdoors Truck Series is going to kill it in 2020. Sometimes you want to go in true style with a Newell. All right, so my buddy Josh with Newell mentioned there was something super cool on the inside of this RV. So Josh, what were you talking about to check out, man, as soon as we came in?
Yeah, as soon as we'll do it, we'll come in here, we'll shut this door.
Yep.
You see how we have an air pocket door come in?
Powered air pocket door.
And what we'll do is it'll lift up and get really sealing nicely so you don't get any air noise.
Yeah.
But what's pretty cool is
that seals off sound and air, right?
Sound and air. And what we'll do is there's a little entry step button right through here.
Mm-hmm.
If I can find that here. Oh, actually, just do it right here. Wait 1 second.
So the touch screen, you actually have two on here. You have a little mini command touch screen to the right, and then you got your control panel on the left that also has your backup screen and everything on it.
So what you have is a complete digital dash here. And this right here is an iPad, controls everything inside the coach.
Wow.
This controls everything like your stereo, your climate, cameras, things like that. This right up here, you have another camera system up here.
Right.
This controls your mirrors. There's a lot of different things, but the main thing is that this right here does is pretty cool. For instance, if you want to change your position on your screen position, you can
move it up and
down like that.
So depending on where you got the steering wheel, you'll be able to see it clearly and not be blocked.
No problem. If you like a different needle color, you see.
Oh, that is so cool. You can change the colors.
You can change the colors, and then you can even change how you want your steering assist, loose or tight. You can change your whole shock package right here. You see comfort?
Yep.
I'm gonna go to sport. Sport right there. You see?
So if I need to get up over 75, get some passing going, I'm dropping it in sport and rolling.
You can handle it really well. You can do it all right there. And then you have your passenger GPS. So what this is made for is to control everything.
Right.
With the driver control everything, not only with the chassis and the coach part, but also the house part too.
Oh, as we're speaking of, we're going to go check out the house part of this coach right now. Josh, thank you so much. We're going to catch up with you here in just a minute so you can give us some more info. What do you say we go check out this beautiful Newell right now? Hang on. Road to NASCAR. It's going to be a comfortable one, especially in something like this. Wow. Look at the beautiful cabinetry on this thing. Underlit LED lights. Got the full extension drawers. Wow, this is beautiful. Got the luxury paneling. Bathroom with the marble countertops. Shower. And this is a bunk model too. So if you want to bring the kids in something that's nice, they have their own privacy doors. Pop down televisions right up there. So if you wanted to let them watch TV, pretty sure they got them on, got them on both. King size bed and spa style bath shower back here. Man, look at that. That is luxury and a half. When you come into the road to NASCAR, you start in Daytona, you got to start right with something this beautiful. Look at that. Would you just look at it? So, Josh, tell us a little bit about these type of units. You know, I mean, obviously when you're talking about road to NASCAR, going to races, making things happen like that, and somebody's got luxury like this, you probably see a lot of people grab units like this for trips to races, right?
Oh yeah. Well, the reason why it is a lot of our NASCAR people enjoy this because of the room.
Yeah.
And the windows.
Yeah.
And we're RVers, so RVers want to get out and see the world.
Yeah.
And so what Newell does is we custom make everything from the chassis up, but we make it where you can actually see things and enjoy it and have the space interior and exterior wise. So
you're going to enjoy this space. Just
therefore, you can stand inside the slide.
Yeah.
You have bigger, taller slides, bigger windows.
I mean, what's the interior height in this? It's like 86 inches? 89 inches.
89 inches.
Wow.
89 inches. So, I mean, therefore, we're tall. You know, we're 7 feet, 5 inches tall.
Right. Okay.
It's crazy.
And the clearance is still, I mean, you can still get under the.
5, yeah.
Okay, you can still get under a tunnel at any track. Okay.
Really, what we do is we lower where we don't have as big as bays.
Right.
But we have more interior space. So what that allows is let's have 2 full bathrooms, bunk beds.
Right.
And we can also increase or decrease the size of our slides.
Right.
And shift them around, so it allows us to have a lot more floor plans.
These finishes right here on the cabinetry and stuff like that, what is this called?
That's actually veneer
Okay.
type wood. that they do, they use a solid base plywood for it, and they put a veneer over it. That way
Right.
it will last a long time.
Is this like a special color scheme that you guys offer?
No,
or-
we just have an interior design team, 2 ladies. do
Wow.
all our interior design. So if you look at this coach right here, this is 1509.
Right.
You can tell it's totally different.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
In this coach right here, we have the ability to do front entry and mid entry. This is a front entry coach.
Right. But you can do.
This is a coach you enter in the middle.
Oh wow. Okay. So it's like a tour bus.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So we have a lot of different options. Everything's custom made. We only make 26 a year.
Wow.
And most are custom done where people will come in and pick everything out, and we start
Right.
building it from the ground up.
That's
Is
awesome.
that not awesome?
That is awesome. So if I go to my local Gander RV and Outdoors,
Mhm.
I tell the rep, look, I want to get a Newell. You guys come in, start building it
what
up.
we do is usually they'll probably go to the Concord location.
Okay.
And get a hold of David King or
Yes.
Jake
Yeah,
King
yeah,
or somebody
yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
And they would call me up and
Mm-hmm.
we'd start working it. And then you come to Miami, Oklahoma, and you will actually sit down with our interior design team, the 2 girls that I just mentioned,
Right.
a project manager and an exterior designer, and you build your own coach from the ground up like you're building a house.
That's beautiful.
And we have like an 18-page sheet that we go off of.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool.
This is
So
awesome.
there's nothing else like this in the country.
Awesome. Josh, thank you so
No
much,
problem.
man. So the
Thank
road to
you, guys.
NASCAR, starting right here in luxury with some Newell Class A RVs. So the great thing about the Newells is when you talk to your specialists at Gander RV and Outdoors, everything that you're going to get on the inside and the outside is going to be customized. So I'm not going to waste your time going through the options on this one, because the great thing about these, you can build your own. Just be sure to check them out at Gander RV and Outdoors. If you want the luxury that Newell can bring you, we're going to help you out. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a luxury camper. I'll see you.